Alright, what's up YouTube? I want to do a review on some Bread 11s I recently got in the mail. I actually got them today. I ordered them on eBay. I just want to know if they're legit or not. So I'm going to show you them right now. Here's the shoe. Let's move it out of the light a little bit. Let me get these snakes out of here. Okay. There's the Jumpman. Jumpman looks pretty good. There is flaws. Like here. You can see that. This. On those parts of the shoe. Okay, move to the front. Toe box looks fine. Moving up to the tongue, it is 3 spaces, but I don't know if it was how the shoe was packaged, but it's like, it's creased. It's not, like if you pull it, it looks regular, but it's creased. That really pissed me off. What else? There's other parts, like stains, like those. Here's the carbon fiber. Pretty, sounds real. And then the paint flaw, I guess. And then right here, looks like it was melting or burnt. Like, what the fuck is that? And here's the rest of the bottom of it. I paid $3.10, so here's the other shoe. Got the same thing with those. Well, not on this side, but Jumpman again. 2, 3 perfectly spaced. Yeah. The back. There's more glue stains right there. The front. Now again, 3 spaces. This one looks good. Not creased. There's more stain parts. There. And there and there. And inside. The tag. It's really not good at all. Jumping in there. I tried these on already, so Jumpman's in there. Size 11 in there. Tag. Right in there. There's the tag. And the thing that got me when I looked at it was the box. The box is not as matte as the other ones, as the newer one right over there for the Kilroys. Here's the tag. Right Jordan 11 Retro, all that shit. Says the same thing on the back. The grace period or whatever. Jumper on the side. Fingerprint on the front. And the paper. And the shoe horns. Shoe horns. And this part. Think you made him shine. Mike made him fly. You made them iconic. So yeah. Just let me know if they're real. I really need to know so I can get my money back. Anyway, I'm not happy with this part on the most. Let me know things.